Yo abusiafo ene adofonum muni aba ekuasi kapa na nanso so motimini Ghana wahala dwumadie ena mede ebesom mu etenti yede yenyai echesoa de biara eda eye anyuntuni Becca yenu aba Becca waba bonten ede bi ababatu edwa na eya areho asefem obi nim de nti a ema ne si sa agina ye anabotaye no nanso so Ghana wahala na too much echie wo ho ide ye baba ba kire mu de nti a wode sa agina ye no ebetu edwa ye nuaba Becca ede ababetu edwa say I am ending my music career at the end of 2020 na che say afia ye simu say December ebekọ na wie ye no wono so wode ni music career no so ebekọ na wie ye pepepe o ma 2021 ento ni music career no na no ne yebusa ne say adentia and I was say I sell 13 years in our war music industry ni mu waye bebre I was say waye den wo free ho na ebinom nso so den ebebeto so na we outlining so many plans for new decades. I just say our plans bebre na dream a waye na dream say wo beye na was say ne career na ne music o put an end to say the beye wo betumi ayeden a focus on several investments and only ade edi kan and just or ending the 13 years recording artist by end of 2020 now was focusing on several investments awayeden wo making na enye no kwa was put an end to the music career 2020 all because of say she want to spend more time with the family when and sema yenuaba no wodi etu Jana chese osim chese dane da ewo eniswade hunu botaye bia wo bia ewo ede ye na ade no no de ne botaye anina ene sei no 13 years awo music industry no waye bi nipa be ye bi wa meye ni nyina ewo se waye den wo hwe na waye den wo si enioma otete enioma bi eso nintina chese 2020 enko na wie ye de ono so ede ne nyumto ebekọ na wie ye na watimi enya time ede ama na busua na say 2020 enya enwuye na afi yesimu January mu ene yewe de ene ebusuafo monka makoma entomo yem ene for now to the next 12 months in the day smash hit after hit and na chese ebekọ so ene enom no obe release agumu saa na ese de nsuo no wo ohwiegu mu ane se wo hwiegu weyi ba na weyi ba weyi kọ na weyi ba ene Ghana for wode nyum no ebe puapuam wode be mammo mo be fa ne se de mo fa mojedro no weyi ne ensema eyeye nuaba no wode etu edwa na chese free 2020 enko na wie ye no wie dia from 2021 Becca Montini din ebiem Montini din anase enye se Montini din biem se wawu na emo Montini din biem ewo music industry nim se wode enwoma aba ana mo be hwe nim kwan se we obi release song e de amamo de wo se we de amomfa enche no enti we ne enkaye ana kokoba eye nyuntuni Becca e de etu edwa na chese sei no wo jai music industry na ato honum de ama wom soso ewo ekwan so wom aye wom adwen se wom soso ebe etu enyum na no na Ghana fo binom ka se an dentia man no se wom ejeje anyum to nyina ene se Kwame Eugene Kofi Kenata kidimo ba ye no ase attention nyina akwa kugina wom so man no nya attention se the first na wom nya ne biem enti wom soso enhwe san ye de attention ebe mo na da ne da wom soso ebe tena wom ABC mu enti ene ebe ye se wom be end wom career sense wo bi ebe ende no ede ama no enti de ye nuaba na eka no de wom hu ne sem eye ne kwan so anu no se wo be ende wa de mom eye sense wo bi ebe ende na ma wabra wani enna na wani wunya ni so de hu ana se dwumadie bi foforo bia ensi wani so no ebe ye enti ene se wo awo ende no na wunya dwumadie foforo bi edisi wani so a ana botaye foforo bia enumum ebe boa enti om hu ne se se wo gya ya boni bia enim ne kwan so eno no ye nua Shela ade wode eba ye o say in all her plans nothing was mentioned about the Lord God who has the whole world in his hands. Pity o say the abaye kan ye nyina wan bo Nyankopon din wom anase say eye awerehosempam ye nua aba aba ansa e de awode e ba ye o si oh why are you stopping your music industry? Please, 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 please. We really enjoy your song so much. It will be a pity if we can't hear you sing again. Please don't end your music career. And also at the end, and say, oh, aden, oba fefe, aden tina wo be end your music career. Ena mo binti anabota ye binti enye untimi nkase because you want to have time with your family. Debbie, we betimi have a time with your family whilst you sing entime and do music career. Eye bota ye foforo bi nko ade a utimi de betu ejabai ne wakeka ne de ye mfa enji entumu de biara eda wono so ede eno no Nicholas ede wo de eba ye o say. As for me, I don't care. After all, your music doesn't fetch me money. Just listen and I go my way. So if you stop, people will sing for me to listen. I say, wujaya obi amfanwo. After all, no, and you ma what one and first can go me bottom. And ya did say this kebreme. One ye minia baby, na beya meya, na ma Becca se minia baby jaya bet nephew. One ye jumanya na say, and she say wujaya jaya. Obia emfa wo wujaya enkrofofo wo ho a wo so e de enyum to no ebeba enye se wujaya na che se music career na say music industry ni egu wo mu a enyema wo free mu so a entosi enti wujaya jai na ko no so e de enonom ye nua nkwana ye e de wo de eba yo say my dear my dear lady, please, I don't have anything to say, but the only thing I want you to know is that you ending your career as a musician, God knows best. God knows best and will direct you this 2020. God will help you. All the best. Ono so edia enonom. Also onu do ni hweka. Na so Nyankopon enenim bibia. When I decide say person will end wo career obi ani hweka. Eye wo decision obi entimi for say say ni yesay anase yesay dia ebeboa wo na wo ye na de wo kan say Nyankopon and direct wo path 2020. Yenua Melan Johash Edia Wode Eba or say it can't be possible. No, you can't end it just like that. We won't allow you to end it just like that. One also Edia na say any brother so pan Becca who were fans are one per was it there be it can't be possible. And ya dear say bebem. And ya there's so betina se crampo ashe wo and wo career wo music career there be and ya there's so obeyen shehan ama wo ende no sa de biara eda wo options and answer wo opinions a wo de buy no nti wo gina so e dia ende no wo say enya de say ebeyeye abusuafo wo sha eye ne kwan so ano no say abusuanti anasa wo pavy way e dey ma young ones ninti no e wo say obi etimi end ne career anasa botaye bi wo ho na ka na one person wo beka for wadwentre ebra e too much gh subscribe na share for more abusuanfo e wo all the social media platform say your Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, WhatsApp, Twitter na for wadwentre no ebra na munia ba ekuyesi kapa medwuma just say ya mekenkan ede amamo dasane yebesan Asia makramo.